Hi everyone, I got another build for you. Hi everyone, for anyone that's thinking about making some drawers, some sliding drawers for their pickup truck for camping or maybe hauling some tools around, um, I'll show you what I did. This may be helpful. I used 3/4 inch plywood, and I think I used about 2 sheets. This first piece I cut here, it's 10 1/4, and this is going to go up against the back of the bed of the truck. And then this piece gets fastened on there. And then I have some drawer dividers that are going to go in those slots. And that's what's going to provide the sides for the drawers to slide in and out of. Once I start putting this together, I'll film it as I go, and then you can get an idea of what I did. So I'm screwing this first section together, and I cut it just wide enough so that it fits in the tailgate of the truck. So this from there to there is probably about the same width as the tailgate. So I can slide it straight in without having to twist it or turn it. That's kind of important. These pieces here are cut at 3.5 inches, and I just cut blocks and I put them on here so that the drawer fits in there like that, and that keeps it upright and keeps it in place. So this is where the drawer is gonna slide. I have the drawers made already, and I'll show that to you. So, and I went ahead and I put some wax on these to help the drawer to slide. And the wax really helps. But so next I'm gonna put this one in place, and then I'm gonna fasten it on the end. I've got 2 drawers that I've made. They're both a different size. So this is the side for the other drawer, and I'm going to put that in here like this, and then fasten it in place. I have these 3 drawer sides in place now, and they're fastened against the front. I'm going to flip this over or tip it up and put these braces in place. And then once those are in place, then I can put this unit into the truck. I'll show you that when I get there. This unit now is upside down, but all of the bottom is in place and it's ready to go back into the truck. Whenever you're building something, it's always a good idea to check and make sure that whatever it is you're building is square. And you can check that by measuring the corners. So for this unit, I've got 77 1/4. 77 1/4. So if those dimensions are the same, when you measure it on an angle, then you know that your unit is square. So I'm going to take this now and I'm going to move it into the truck. Maybe one other thing I'd like to point out is that these 2 are a little bit longer, and they're going to fit on the far side of the wheel well. And these ones are cut flush with the drawer because the wheel well is going to be right there. So I'm gonna put this in place, and then I'll show you the drawers. We'll go from there. Here are the drawers that we made up that are gonna end up going in the back of the truck there. So this one is the smaller drawer that's gonna go on the left side there. And I've got these are the slides, and I have to fasten these on here, and I've gone and waxed these all up, so these are going to be nice and real slidey. Is that a good word? Sure. So I'm going to put these on, and then I'm going to take this over to there and then explain a little further about what this project entails. Here we are in the back of the truck, and you can see how those pieces that we put together went in the back of the truck. And then the drawer, which slides on those rails, which works pretty good. So now that it works pretty good, I need to modify that piece, which is right there. I got to shorten that one up a little bit. And I need to figure a way to get that to set in place and to do the mirror image on the other side. I've cut these pieces to support the woodwork that's going to go in here. So this board is going to go in there like that, and this one goes in here on top, which is going to make a little platform like that. Hey, hi everyone. This is the second drawer. This one's a little bit bigger. That's going to go in the back of the pickup truck. The next thing I need to do is to fasten these slides on the sides. And I've got them waxed up already, so once I put these on, I'm going to take this drawer over and put it in the back of the truck. We're filming from the back of the truck now. I've made this piece and also another piece that's up on the front up there, and what that's going to do is going to hold another drawer that I'm going to make, and it's going to rest on top of that and on top of the other one, and also on top of the wheel well, and I'll be able to lift it up and move it out as I need it, and I'll show you that when we get there. But I've also crafted cut these pieces, which are going to go on the back to help hold this in place from sliding back and forth, and to also stop the drawer from sliding out when the truck's moving. I was thinking it'd be nice to have a locking mechanism in here. In the past, I've just used a clamp and squeeze these together, but I think I'm going to take the time to cut a notch across here and then make this make a notch in here, and then this will come down and lock all these together. So I'm going to work on that. I've set the depth of the saw to 1.5 inches, and I'm using this Swanson square as a guide to make sure that all my cuts are straight, and I'm just doing repeated cuts across here in order to get this out. So I should just be able to put a block of wood in like that, and that'll lock these drawers in place for when I'm traveling. Okay, I think that's good. So here's the piece that we made to lock these drawers in the back of the truck. It's just a piece of plywood with a little bit of cedar trim around it. So it just fits in like that, and that'll stop these drawers from sliding when the truck's moving. Okay, now we're going to move on to these side drawers here. I still have this area here in the back of the truck if I want to move some toolboxes or maybe a generator or something of that nature. And when the tailgate's closed, this is also good for carrying 4x8 sheets of material, whether it might be drywall or plywood. But yeah, so I thought if you're thinking about building something like this, then here's an idea that might help you out. Thanks for watching. All the best with your projects, and let's talk in the comments. Bye for now.